Everybody, Wolf Pups Go. Sorry that it's not the regular episode. I am like so excited because you know the nest that I told you about in that first episode? That nest has been here for 2 months or more. And there's an egg and a baby. And the baby hatched. I'm freaking out because I literally saw the little baby's beak. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was just freaking out, peoples. So I'm just gonna show you. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that right there? That is a baby bird right there. Oh my freaking god. I'm freaking out so bad right now. I'm watching that little baby bird. It's the first time I saw it. And it finally hatched. Oh my god. I'll show you again. What little baby is flying in that nest. Oh my god. Sorry about everything for this episode. If it's all up close and everything, I just had to show you. Oh my god, I'm gonna pass out. No, not really. Metaphorically. But I'm so excited. Yeah. Well, that's it for today. Peace. Wolf Pups. Oh.